Crispy spicy potato fritters, a must-try snack. Do you love crispy and spicy snacks? Then you will love this crispy spicy potato fritters recipe. It's super easy to make, needs simple ingredients, and tastes amazing. Stay with me till the end, and let's make this delicious snack together. First, take 2 medium-sized potatoes. Wash them properly to remove any dirt. Now take a sharp knife and cut them into thin, round slices. The thinner the slices, the crispier they will be. Once cut, put them in a bowl of water and wash them again to remove extra starch. Drain all the water completely and set the potatoes aside. Now, let's make the crispy batter. Take a mixing bowl and add 5 tablespoons of gram flour besan, 1/2 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, adjust to your spice level, 1/2 teaspoon coriander powder, 1/2 teaspoon cumin powder, 1/2 teaspoon chaat masala, 1 chopped green chili for extra spice, some finely chopped fresh coriander leaves. Mix all the dry ingredients well. Now slowly add water and mix until you get a smooth, thick batter. Finally, add 2 tablespoons of hot oil to the batter and mix again. This will make the fritters extra crispy. Now dip each potato slice into the batter. Make sure both sides are fully coated. Heat enough oil in a pan for deep frying. To check if the oil is ready, drop a little batter into the oil. If it sizzles and rises immediately, the oil is perfect for frying. Carefully place the coated potato slices into the hot oil. Fry on medium heat, flipping them occasionally. When they turn gold and brown and crispy, take them out and place them on a paper towel to remove excess oil. Your crispy, spicy potato fritters are ready. Serve them hot with ketchup, mint chutney, or a cup of tea. Enjoy this crunchy and flavorful snack with your friends and family. Don't forget to like, share, and comment.